Welcome to Car Magica, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specs, and expert insights into the latest cars, motorhomes, and cutting-edge mobility innovations. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, a sophisticated blend of German engineering, intelligent design, and first-class luxury, built for those who demand more from life on the move. With its striking silhouette and unmistakable Mercedes-Benz design language, the 2026 Motorhome sets a new benchmark in premium mobile living. Its exterior features aerodynamic bodywork, sculpted for both beauty and efficiency, a bold diamond grille with the iconic three-pointed star, and intelligent LED lighting that adapts to every driving condition. Sleek two-tone paint finishes, chrome accents, and 21-inch alloy wheels give it a refined yet commanding presence. Retractable running boards and soft closed doors add to its sense of intelligent luxury. Under the hood. This premium motorhome is powered by a turbocharged inline-six plug-in hybrid drivetrain, delivering powerful performance with improved fuel efficiency, aided by Mercedes 4 MATIC all-wheel drive system and active air suspension. The ride is smooth, stable, and effortlessly quiet. Whether cruising down highways or navigating remote backroads, it provides both confidence and comfort. Staying true to the brand's reputation for balanced driving dynamics. Step inside. And the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome reveals an interior that's as refined as a high-end hotel suite. Premium materials line every surface from Napa leather seating and polished wood trim to brushed aluminum accents and customizable ambient lighting. The layout includes a relaxing lounge with rotating captain's chairs, a gourmet kitchen with smart appliances, a private master bedroom with a memory foam queen bed, and a designer bathroom featuring Spain-inspired finishes and a rainfall shower. Technology is seamlessly woven into every aspect. The central command system features ambient interface with voice control, AI-assisted climate control, navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. A suite of old screens, wireless charging pads, and a Dolby Atmos surround sound system elevate the onboard entertainment experience. 5G internet, satellite connectivity, and full smart home compatibility allow you to control lighting, temperature, and security from your phone or the built-in digital assistant. Safety, as always with Mercedes-Benz, is a top priority. The 2026 Motorhome comes equipped with active distance assist, lane-keeping technology, a full 360-degree camera array, and emergency autonomous braking, onboard fire detection, tire pressure monitoring, and real-time security alerts ensure peace of mind whether you're driving or parked for the night. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, combining innovation, comfort, and timeless design. It redefines road travel for the modern explorer who refuses to compromise. From open highways to remote wilderness getaways, this motorhome delivers exceptional luxury with every mile. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on the world's most advanced cars, motorhomes, and future-ready vehicles. You're watching Car Magica, where excellence meets the open road.